Lucy did a good job, didn't she? All her sunflowers. Even got one down there that split into two main stalks. Don't look too good down there, but these ones are gorgeous. Still got some that haven't opened yet. Got butterflies everywhere, moths, bees everywhere. Gorgeous. Got little bees circling everywhere. I want to find the honeybees. She's still got a bunch down there that ain't popped yet. Tomato plants are doing good. Got another tomato